Michigan, back of the house. We got a wooded area, about a half a mile clearance. We got a dirt berm, a little short, but if any of the 9mm goes through there, it's not going to go past the woods. It's going to hit a tree. No one lives back there. So I'm just doing a pistol warm-up. I've got a little bear, and I've got a miniature ISPCA target, and we're shooting from, let me see, that's about 7 meters. So about, I don't know, 5 meters or so, 15 feet. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to do 10 shots on the bear, a reload, and then, or actually 11 shots on the bear, a reload, and then 10 shots on the torso. Let's see. All right, range is hot, eyes and ears. Using the M&P 9mm. Clear. Pretty good. A little sloppy on the trigger here. These shots are a little bit better. Oh, within the circle, not bad.
Not bad.
15 feet.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
So we forgot a couple items. I sent Scott in there to get a Sharpie. He forgot his zeroing targets, but while we're waiting, I'm going to shoot a couple more over there. Okay, we got 10 in this gun. Got a spare mag. Let me put one in the reload pouch. Right there. We'll do the same thing. 10 and 10. A little bit better. Starting to snow right now, about 30 degrees in Michigan. Yeah, this area of town, a lot of people are deer hunters. Pretty much everyone owns a gun. No one's going to call the police on you. I just heard the neighbors across the road on the other side shooting a rifle. And then during like deer season, if a deer comes onto your property and you have a deer tag, you're allowed to shoot it. As long as it's a legal size, and you can't shoot does, you can only shoot bucks. I think, I don't know all the rules, but people hunt coyote and big game like moose and elk and all that stuff. But yeah, it's really nice. It's pretty cool to come out here and do whatever you want, basically, as long as you're not hurting anyone and pointing any guns in anyone's direction. Like I said, there's about a half mile of woods back there, so it doesn't really matter. One-handed shooting, 5 on each. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two of these here, 2 there, and I pushed the rest low. Just slapped the trigger and I flinched. Right now, I got the marker. I'm just marking the shots I've already placed on here. Scott's going to use the bottom of this target board for his AR15 zeroing. He's got iron sights on there, Magpul flip up, actually Aero Precision flip up sights. Doing a 25 meter zero. I brought my rangefinder. Scott's over there, 25 meters away, shooting the zeroing target. We're going to see where it impacts. So we're going to check after 3 to 5 shots and make adjustments on his sight. All right, ready? We need to keep a bullet out just to make your adjustments on your sight afterwards.
Huh?
We're gonna use a bullet tip to adjust your sights.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for your front sight, it takes a bullet tip.
Ready?
Yeah.
Range is hot.
All right. If you want to slow down again, you can do that.
Huh?
Take your time. We doing 3 shots or 5 shots?
I'm gonna do 5 shots. Nah, I'll do 3.
We'll go check it.
Yep. Got it safe. Looks like I shot super low.
Yeah, so right here tells you how many clicks you're away.
Uh-huh.
So like you're pretty much down here, which would be like 10 clicks. So we need to adjust your front sight for elevation. And then your windage could, you're probably on number 3. You could probably turn your rear, you want your rear sight to go to the left.
Okay.
So front, opposite, rear, the same. So you want the groups to go left, you turn your sight
up
to the left.
10 on the front, left.
So you want your front sight, you actually want to push the front sight down, right? Because if you raise it up, you're going to be aiming more down. So you want to lower your front sight a bunch. Like mine's pretty much maxed out. It's all the way at the bottom.
Uh-huh.
And then your rear sight, you probably want to move it, I would say like three over to the left.
Yep.
3 clicks left, 3 clicks up. See if it makes a difference. Dead center. So you brought your group to the left. So you're right on this line. So yeah, there needs to be a way to raise this up. So we need to keep dropping that sight. But you did bring it up to here. See, you were down here before?
Yeah.
So
go inside.
The 3 clicks actually brought you up 3 clicks. It looks pretty good here. If you can even do 1 click down and see what it does. Just 1.
What do you mean?
You can, if you want to adjust the sight post, so you can
back,
bring it
back up one more time.
Yeah, bring the post up like 1 click and see if it brings you dead center. All right. So he didn't even hit the paper. We'll see if it's him or me or what, or if it's the gun. Who knows? First time trying his AR. I still got the same upper, right? It's the M4E1 enhanced.
Yep.
$450, 500 bucks.
418 with there was a save 10 now coupon
deal?
Online. You had to go find it.
Okay.
They didn't announce it
So
or anything like that.
off?
It was 10% off. Yeah.
Free shipping.
Yep. So I got it for 418.
So Tacoma, Washington. He also got the Aero Precision bolt, and he also has the flip-up sights that I have, and he has a Ruger lower. Magpul. Was it the enhanced trigger guard?
No, that's just the general parts kit.
Right?
Yeah.
Mil-spec grip, mil-spec trigger guard, and MOE stock. Pretty much like my gun. It's very similar. So, okay. You got 30 rounds of American freedom right there. Because we're not in California anymore.
far back as it goes.
Yep. All right, range is hot. Safety off. Safe. Let's go down range. Where's my shots at? Say if you triangulate one here, one there, and one there, the middle, the center is about right there.
Yep.
So I think it was the Indian, not the arrow. He's trying to blame the arrow. It was the wind. No, the bullets were like made incorrectly. No, the barrel's crooked. So yeah, just I don't know, I just had to hold very steady and just squeeze the trigger. Just took my time, that's all. So I don't know, I would say that between the target that you just shot before that and what I've done, yeah, I think your gun's pretty close.
Okay.
I would say it's good enough. You got the 25-meter 0/300. So pretty good, pretty good. Now we're gonna shoot for fun.
Yep.
What are you gonna shoot? Your Beretta or more AR?
A little bit of AR.
Got a new target up?
Yeah.
All right, we'll do that. You should do the sticky target so we can see it. Got these sticky targets from Myers, right?
Yeah. Don't give them credit. Don't give Meyer credit.
No. Wanna be Walmart. 30 rounds, black circle. What happened?
Fogging.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
It's getting cold then.
Yeah.
Wow, pretty good. Looks like in Michigan you never have to reload. It's like infinite ammo compared to where I come from. Yeah, still going. Infinite ammo. God mode.
Damn. All right.
OMG, he doesn't have a locked magazine. How did he get the mag out like that? How is this possible?
Shenanigans.
Look at this. What is this freedom button right here? How in the world? How is that? That's not fair. Like, how come I can't try it? Look, all you gotta do is like press this little thing with your finger right here, your booger hook. Wow, that's so amazing. California's so retarded. I think your rifle's good. Did you get anything outside of that center circle?
Well, I did go for the little black dots.
Oh, you did?
And they're so small it's hard to see.
Okay.
But I'm pretty much almost right there.
I didn't bring the Sharpie. Let's see if I can knock one out though.
Yeah.
Here. Okay.
Yeah. Half of them all went back through here.
Here, let's borrow one or two to patch. Will these stick on there again?
Yeah. Just gotta get it off.
Let's try to patch that middle.
Two. What am I supposed to be at? Right here?
Wherever you want. You want to challenge yourself, you can move back. Oh, right in the nose.
Like, a little high.
So 5 yards, 15 feet.
I got a little high there, huh?
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I've
6.
never sighted this in. I bought it from Eddie.
Well, most pistols we don't even have to sight them. They're
No,
fixed sights anyways. We just shoot it.
I don't have a bench rest to bench it in. Oh, I think it may be right.
One high.
High.
Well, I had a kick.
Different sounding.
That was kind of big. What was that?
Well, I don't know. That's what I'm saying.
That thing was like way bigger of a boom. It almost flew out of my hand. That was a surprise. Hey, but I got the bullseye. That's it.
Was that it?
Yeah, so it looks
Remember
like
that one was different?
yeah, no, it kicked a lot more.
I know, but remember I had one in there that was partly copper jacketed and a round
that the one?
nose kind of. I don't know if that was that one because I have no way of telling now. Oh, it was a. Okay, one of them had.
It was like 3 ago, you know.
Yeah. I saw.
Did you see the thing fly out of my hand?
That son of a bitch had a lot more oomph to it.
Look where I hit though. Look, I
Yeah,
don't see the other
look at-
shots. I only see 4 holes.
Yeah, I don't know where that other one went.
Are they magic bullets?
Wasn't no blanks.
And I didn't miss. I know that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 holes, 6 shots. Did I shoot through the same hole?
1, 2. That's what I want to check and see. That's a clean hole. I wonder if that could have had something twice through it. See it? Well, I don't know.
Yeah, there's no way that I missed that much. Look how tight my groups are.
Huh.
There's no way, because I don't see any other holes.
No, I know.
Here.
I don't know where it went. I don't have any blanks. I mean, you saw it. But
yeah, it's not a movie
some
set.
guy posted online.
Yeah.
His daughter's shooting. She's all pissed off.
Uh-huh.
And then he's got, and his caption says, she don't know why she can't hit the target. And then he's showing the box.
It's blanks?
It was 5, 5, 6 blanks.
That's funny. Let me mark this off here. Actually, I don't know where I put my
that's
marker.
pretty good. I mean, you got, you know what I mean? That's a nice group.
Tight, yeah.
That's the kill zone on a deer is a little bit bigger than that yet, even, you know?
Yeah,
So,
I try to aim for the little small area.
Yeah. Some of those are pretty dirty, see?
Yeah.
Who knows what kind of powder people, when you buy it online, you know?
Yeah, old powder.
That's the other thing, is you don't know what consistency is to the reload. I mean, a factory bullet, you know, it should be consistent with the powder and everything. But when someone's when you're buying reloads online, you really don't know what you're getting.
Mm-hmm. Here, try my 9. I'll give you my 9 right now. All right. Oh, the mag's not all the way in. We hit the mag release.
Oh, I bumped it?
Yeah. There you go. See the brass?
Got it.
All right, it's hot.
Yeah, that one went low.
There you go. You're empty. That red one in the middle. Oh, that was big.
That's it.
Damn.
Those heavier fucking bullets.
Look, I hit the bullseye.
Yes, you hit right in the bird.
Dead bullseye.
Those are some nice rounds.
That's funny.
I wonder why those got so much more.
That's kind of scary. 44 mag. I don't know. What kind of load was that? 44?
44 mag, and I think they're 300 grain bullets.
Oh, okay. 300 grain. So these are probably the strongest ones you got, right?
Yeah.
I just hit a bullseye. That was crazy. We're at 7 yards. Get ready. Oh! God damn, that hurts.
The elevation was high, but the center was perfect.
That kind of hurts my hand. These are like plus P.
Pump to it.
It's an elephant gun. Well, low.
Low.
This is nothing. My 9mm is like nothing. Mine's like a BB gun.
I know, huh? That sucker's barrel heavy too.
God damn.
That's right in the center though, just
that trigger guard really hurts on your finger though.
Huh?
It really hurts your finger on the trigger guard there.
You want some different loads?
No, I'll finish these. I'm not that wimpy.
I can definitely tell those got some punch.
No, they got a lot more power than the other ones.
Ow! That's just to the left, but pretty good.
Every time I pull the trigger, it hurts my one finger.
Oh, that's a nice
Bullseye!
one. Huh?
Bullseye! Dead center.
Was that 6?
I don't know. We'll find out.
I can always look right here before you. Well, you already caught it, but you can see if there's a live round.
This is probably
waiting to rotate.
probably it. Yeah, that's it.
That was a good one. That last.
Oh damn! That thing is crazy.
Those are more accurate rounds, I think, too. Look at. Yeah. Those are punching a damn good hole.
Yeah. There's a lot more powder or something in those
There's
rounds.
something. Well, could be even a different brand of powder.
Or it burns quicker.
And creates a lot more pressures.
Yeah, it's a higher pressure round for sure.
Pressure
I
powder.
felt you can feel the difference.
I could see it.